Thirston, can you be a kookaburra? Good boy! You're so smart!
I just got home, you silly boy. What are you doing? Hi, love bunny. I missed you. Have you been having fun today? Are you my handsome man? What are you doing? Are you being bad? Yes.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. You're so cute. He says, I want all the kisses and the hugs and the kisses. Want to come give Papa a kiss? I love you. You're so silly. What you doing? You're like a cat. You just call whenever I come whenever I call you. Oh, he's a good boy. Are you so handsome? Are you sexy? Thirston, can you be a kookaburra? Thirston, can you be a kookaburra? That's my good boy. You're so smart. Yes. See, this is just totally against the laws of... Thirston, give the kitty kisses. Give Ginger a kiss. Give each other kisses. Thirston, is that a cat? Can you be a cat? Oh, hey, Toby. Thirston, call Toby. Call the kitty. Hi, beautiful. Thirston, you're so handsome. Are you sexy? What are you doing up there? Huh? Aww. Birdie and Kitty are best. Yes, that's your best friend in the world, isn't it? We love them very much.